Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. Here in this channel we are learning about the basics and fundamentals of the computer for the primary class students. So in this video we will learn about some editing in the Microsoft Word, MS Word. Before that I have already posted introduction for this Microsoft Word. So in this video we will learn details about how to edit the documents, how to save the document, how to open the existing document and some other commands. So let's start. So first we will learn for the saving a document, how to save a document after typing. So see, what is saving? It is the concept, means it is the process where the data from one temporary storage area to a permanent storage area, so that we can continue editing the file if possible later on. Then to use the file in future, we have to save that file in our permanent storage. While we are working current document, the MS Microsoft Word, then that one is saved in our temporary storage memory. Okay, so for permanent use we have to store that data or that file or document in our permanent storage. So we have to save the document for future use. So see what is the process to save a document. So see, if I want to save this document, first click on the Office button. See, there is a menu came. See here, save and save as option is there. Save means and save as, this both are same work. Save as, click on save as. After this you will find this type of window. Here you can put the name or the document name what you want to give. Then here press the save button. Then that one is saved. This is the very easy process to save the document. Or one direct method is there. Here in quick access toolbar, see, there is a icon present, there is an option present save. See, you can directly click this file is already saved, that way no changes happened. But if you click on this, then that one directly save that open document. Okay, so saving a document is a very easy process. You just have to click on the save as option from the file tab, then click on the computer, then you can find the location, then a save as dialog box will appear. From that you will give the name what you want to give to the document, then click save option, save button, so that document will be saved. Then see, after saving the document, if we want to close this document, then we normally place the close button over here. See, here close button is present, that cross one. We can directly press the close button from here to close the MS Word document, or we can choose this option from here. See, here close option is there. This is the indirect method and this option is the direct method. You can directly close by clicking the close button, or by the close menu, the close option from the file menu. So see, I will directly close. The document is closed. So saving the document and exiting from the Word document, you understood? Now see, we have already exited from this MS Word application. Again we will open MS Word application to open the existing file. See here, MS Word is there. We want to open that exiting file, means that file which is already saved in our computer. We have to open that one. So see, from here that office button is there. Here open option is there. Click open. Then find where you saved that one, that location you set from here. Here already documents is opened, so click this one, then open. See, again that file is opened, what I have already saved before. So this is the process to open an existing file. Now here, from here you can further edit the document. So this saving the document and opening an existing document, these two processes are used, or these two processes we are doing for future editing and continuing the typing in the document. Now see these two curved arrows. This left one is, this one is undo button and this one is redo button. Undo and redo means these two buttons are present on the quick access toolbar on the title bar of this Word window. While typing, if we have entered a wrong data or we have pressed anything wrong by mistakenly, then there is an option to undo our mistake. So for this undo command is used. And whenever while typing you press the undo button by mistakenly, then that opposite work will done by this redo button. Means redo means that repeat the same thing again. Undo means clear that one. Means the previous one, it will set the previous one. So this is the two button which is found in the quick access toolbar. Wait, I will show you. See here, these two buttons are there. These two are, this one is undo button, this one is undo button and this one is redo button. These two curved arrows. Okay, this one is used to go back to the previous typing, and redo button is used if you pressed the undo button by mistakenly, then redo will repeat that process. If you find this video is helpful, then press the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.